Hey everyone! Are you tired of worrying about accidents, hit and runs, or just want to capture those epic road trip moments? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the top 5 dash cams of 2025 that are absolute game changers. From crystal clear 4K recording to AI-powered safety features, these dash cams are a must-have for every driver. But here's the kicker, some of these might completely surprise you. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dash cam is perfect for your car. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's hit the road. Number 1. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 is an exceptional value, offering a dash cam, cabin-facing camera, and rear-view camera. It attaches to the windshield with a suction mount, and its cameras can be adjusted for optimal coverage. The front dash cam records at 2560 by 2160 pixels but drops to 2560 by 1440 when all three cameras are used. The cabin and rear cameras have 1920 by 1080 resolution. The cameras have wide fields of view with minimal distortion, and the cabin camera includes infrared lighting for low light conditions. The N4's integrated screen features a picture-in-picture mode that displays all three cameras' feeds simultaneously, along with settings and recording modes. It offers low frame rate and low bitrate recording modes, but we found these can drain the car battery. The device also includes collision and motion detection, automatically saving relevant footage. A 128GB micro SD card holds about 6.7 hours of footage. Number 2. Car and Driver 1080p HD Dash Cam. We appreciate that we'll probably get some flack for including this model in this test when there are so many dash cams out there. But we were determined to evaluate our licensed namesake unit on its own merits, and darned if it didn't step up as the best budget option we tested. The Car and Driver 1080p Dash Cam has front and rear cameras and a touchscreen interface for easy driver control. The unit has standard features like parking mode, collision detection, and a G sensor to keep one eye open after you've left the vehicle. One thing we really liked about this model is its dual tripod option that allows different mounting iterations from the top or bottom of the camera. This feature made it easy to adjust the dash cam according to the angle of the windshield. During our driving test, we detected a faint magenta hue on the screen, which we could not adjust for. But when we uploaded the data, the magenta hue did not affect the footage. Number 3. Garmin Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent choice for someone looking to keep their dash cam discreet and out of the way. It's compact enough to tuck behind your rearview mirror if so desired. The app functionality is quite nice as well, and the 1080p matched up well against the competition despite its diminutive size. While it's a nice set and forget dash cam, we found that it's a bit tricky to determine whether everything is set up correctly without checking it via the app. The lack of a screen makes it difficult to see if the camera is lined up properly. Additionally, there are a few different lights that blink on the cam, and it's confusing at first to know what they all mean. But once you get that all set, the Garmin Mini 2 is a solid choice for a tiny dash cam. Number 4. Garmin 67W. If you're looking for additional safety features, the Garmin 67W model is an excellent choice. The unit is small and unobtrusive, even compared to its Mini counterpart. To navigate through the unit's features, you utilize a series of buttons on the side of the camera instead of a touch screen to toggle through the menus. What we liked the most about the Garmin 67W was the integration of lane departure and forward collision warnings, both valuable safety features missing in older vehicles. The lane departure warning was a little touchy, admittedly, but we appreciated Garmin's commitment to integrating safety features, especially for those with older model vehicles. Number 5. Nextbase 322GB. Nextbase is a staple in the dashcam world, so we had high expectations for its 322GB dashcam. Unfortunately, the unit fell far short of our expectations. Despite its clean design, easy mounting, and large 2.5-inch touchscreen display on the rear of the camera, the unit underperformed when it came to the most important element, capturing clear high-quality video. At the core of the unit is a single camera with a 1920 by 1080 pixels, full HD resolution and a wide, 140-degree field of view. While that should be more than enough camera to capture most daily driving without issue, our resulting image quality was more than disappointing. The footage revealed high levels of grain during overcast and nighttime recordings and terrible dynamic range in sunny, high-contrast scenes. Together, this made it difficult to read license plates and see finer details in the footage. And that's a wrap, the top 5 dash cams of 2025 that are totally worth your money. Which one are you getting for your car? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more epic reviews like this. Oh, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and stay covered.